Welcome to the Whispering Jungle. This is a magical place full of secrets and surprises waiting to be discovered. All around you, the jungle hums with life and every corner hides a new adventure. Are you ready for an adventure, little explorer? Put on your explorer hat and grab your backpack because we're about to set off on a journey like no other. There's so much to see and do here. The sun rises, painting the sky with orange and pink. Its warm rays peek through the treetops, waking up the whole jungle and making everything sparkle with morning light. Big green leaves wave in the morning breeze. They rustle softly as if whispering secrets to each other and create a gentle, soothing sound all around us. The jungle is alive with sounds. A bird sings, a bug buzzes by. Frogs croak from hidden ponds, and monkeys chatter high above in the trees, making the jungle feel like a lively orchestra. The air smells like flowers and earth. Every breath is filled with the sweet scent of blooming blossoms and the rich, fresh smell of the jungle floor beneath your feet. Tall trees stretch to the sky, their leaves shading the jungle floor. Sunbeams dance through the branches, creating patterns of light and shadow that move as the wind blows. Colorful flowers and butterflies fill the scene. Butterflies flutter from petal to petal, their wings sparkling in the sunlight while bright flowers bloom everywhere you look. Listen! The jungle is waking up. Rustling bushes, splashing rivers, chirping nests. Everywhere, animals are stretching, yawning, and getting ready for a brand new day. Today is the day of the Great Jungle Jamboree. All the animals are getting ready for a big party. There will be music, dancing, and delicious treats for everyone to share. But before the party, everyone needs to be counted. Can you help us find and count the animals? Let's look carefully and see who's hiding among the trees and flowers. Let's go! Our journey begins now, deep in the heart of the Whispering Jungle. With every step, we'll discover new friends, hidden wonders, and the magic that makes this jungle so special. Near a cozy cave, nestled deep in the heart of a bright, bustling jungle, there's a very special place where the sun peeks through the leaves and the air is filled with the sounds of birds and rustling trees. Here lives one big brown bear, Barnaby. He's not just any bear. He's the friendliest, fluffiest bear in the whole jungle, and everyone knows his big, warm smile. This morning, as the sun rises and the jungle wakes up, Barnaby opens his eyes, stretches his huge furry arms, and lets out a big happy yawn. But suddenly, grrr! His tummy makes a loud grumbly sound. Barnaby sniffs the air, his nose twitching. What's that delicious smell drifting through the trees? It's sweet golden honey. Following his nose, Barnaby pads softly through the grass until he spots a beehive hanging high in a tall, leafy tree, glistening in the morning light. He looks up and calls out, "Hello, bees! May I have a little honey, please?" Barnaby always remembers to use his best manners, even when he's hungry. The friendly bees buzz around, smiling and waving their tiny wings. "Of course, Barnaby! Just one scoop for our favorite bear," they reply, happy to share. Carefully, Barnaby takes a tiny scoop of honey with his big, gentle paw. He licks his paw, and his eyes light up. It's delicious and sweet, just what he needed. With his tummy now full and happy, Barnaby feels ready for a big day. He can't wait for the Jungle Jamboree, where all his friends will gather to sing and dance. Barnaby waves goodbye to the kind bees, thanking them for sharing. As he walks away, he hums a cheerful tune. "One big bear, on my way to the Jamboree." He stomps his big feet to the beat, singing, one big bear walking in the sun." The jungle echoes with his happy song. Barnaby is the very first friend we've counted on our adventure, and he's excited to see who else will join the fun. Who will we meet next in the jungle? Let's take a step forward and find out together! Barnaby reaches a sparkling river and spots two tiny turtles, Tilly and Timmy. Their shells are patterned with green circles and yellow stripes. They stroll slowly, heading to the jamboree with two juicy berries. "Hello, Barnaby," they chirp. "Are you going to the party?" "Yes, want a ride?" Barnaby offers. The turtles giggle and climb onto his back. Now they're moving much faster. One big bear and two tiny turtles. How many friends is that? Let's count 1, 2, 3. 3 friends are now traveling together. Tilly and Timmy peek over Barnaby's shoulders, singing a little song. 1 bear, 2 turtles, on our way. Hooray, hooray, it's Jamboree Day. The group is growing. Who will join next? Let's keep going. The friends hear chitter-chatter above. 3 mischievous monkeys, Milo, Mia, and Mo. They swing from vines, juggling bananas and laughing. Suddenly, a banana falls, splat, on Barnaby's head. The turtles giggle, and even Barnaby laughs. Oops, shout the monkeys, swinging down. Sorry, Barnaby, we were just having fun. Barnaby wipes off the banana. Be careful, monkeys. The monkeys promise to behave and join the group. Now we have 1 bear, 2 turtles, and 3 monkeys. The monkeys walk with their new friends, telling jokes. The jungle path is crowded and lively. The party spirit is growing. How many friends now? Let's count as we go. Onward to the Jamboree. The group passes a blue lagoon where 4 fluffy flamingos, Fiona, Felix, Flora, and Faye, practice their dance. They lift their legs and dip their necks, looking fabulous in pink. Hello, everyone, the flamingos say, pausing their dance. Your dance is beautiful, says Tilly. The flamingos fluff their feathers and show off sparkling flowers. We're ready for the Jamboree, they cheer. The flamingos step out of the water and join the parade. Now we have 1 bear, 2 turtles, 3 monkeys, and 4 flamingos. The path is full of color and excitement. The parade grows bigger and brighter. Who will join next? Let's find out. The Jamboree is getting closer. Near the clearing, 5 funny frogs, Freddie, Frankie, Flo, Fanny, and Finn, leap on lily pads. They're having a jumping contest, trying to outdo each other. Finn leaps the highest, splash, and lands among the flamingos, soaking everyone. For a moment, everyone is silent. Then, laughter erupts. The flamingos, monkeys, bear, and turtles all giggle. Finn croaks, oops, and the flamingos laugh even harder. The 5 frogs hop out and join the parade. Now the group is complete. 1 bear, 2 turtles, 3 monkeys, 4 flamingos, and 5 frogs. The animals march together, ready for the party. The Jamboree is just ahead. What a wild, happy group. Let's celebrate together. The adventure is almost over. Time for the party! The animal parade arrives at the clearing. Drums beating, paws and hooves thumping in rhythm, and tails swishing with excitement. The air is buzzing with anticipation as every animal, big and small, gathers for the most exciting event of the year. The Great Jungle Jamboree is in full swing. Everywhere you look, animals are dancing, twirling, and laughing together. The clearing sparkles with joy as friends greet each other and new friendships begin. Colorful streamers hang from the trees, fluttering in the gentle breeze. Bright lanterns dangle from branches, casting playful shadows on the ground. The whole jungle is decorated for a grand celebration, and a long table is filled with treats of every kind. Let's count our friends: 1 big bear, 2 tiny turtles, 3 mischievous monkeys, 4 fluffy flamingos, and 5 funny frogs. Each animal brings their own special flavor to the party. Everyone adds their treats to the table. There's a sense of excitement as each dish is placed down, and the table grows more colorful and delicious with every addition. Honey for the bear, juicy berries for the turtles, sweet bananas for the monkeys, smooth pebbles for the frogs, and delicate water lilies for the flamingos. There's something for everyone, and plenty to share. Sharing makes everything taste better. The animals laugh as they swap treats and try new flavors, discovering that food is even more delicious when enjoyed together. The jungle is filled with happy sounds, munching, giggles, and music. The flamingos dance gracefully, the monkeys tumble and do tricks, and the frogs sing their cheerful songs. The party is alive with energy and fun. Even Barnaby the bear and the shy turtles join in, finding their own way to celebrate. No one is left out. Everyone is welcome at the Jamboree. The whole jungle celebrates together, big and small, fast and slow. Everyone belongs. As the sun sets and the sky turns golden, the animals gather close, feeling the warmth of friendship all around them. The animals are happy and tired, their bellies full and their hearts even fuller. They snuggle together, sharing stories and memories of the day. They learned that adventures are best with friends and that every moment is brighter when shared. Together, they made memories that will last forever. Counting along the way made the journey special, turning every step into a game and every friend into a treasure. Everyone has a place in the jungle, no matter how big or small, loud or quiet. Each animal is important, and together they make the jungle a wonderful home. The best adventures are the ones you share, and the greatest treasure is friendship. As the moon rises and the stars twinkle above, the whispering jungle says goodnight, promising more adventures and laughter tomorrow.